This Middle Eastern chicken and broccoli magic meal is so good and only has 5 ingredients. Frozen broccoli and sliced chicken breast fillet, pop it in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Then I'm making a tahini sauce, so I want a big tablespoon of tahini and about 2 tablespoons of water, a little bit of salt. I'm just going to stir. Beautiful. So when the chicken's cooked about 10 minutes in the air fryer, everything on the plate. Then toss in a tablespoon of preserved lemon, dollop on your tahini sauce, and scatter with some chopped or crumbled roast pistachios. Before we go, I better introduce myself. My name's Jules Clancy. I'm a food scientist from Australia, and I teach food lovers how to cook without recipes so you actually enjoy eating healthier with ease, and also so you feel better in your clothes. Apart from how easy they are, the thing that makes my recipes unique is that I always include a list of variations. You have different dietary requirements. So with the chicken and broccoli magic meal, of course, if you're not a chicken eater, any other tender cuts of meat will work here. Or if you're looking for vegetarian options, it's really good with canned chickpeas or any other cooked legumes, really good with lentils, and also tofu or tempeh. In terms of different veggies, I love the broccoli here, but any frozen veg are going to work well, or any other veg that you feel inspired to use. And if you didn't have tahini, you could use a different sauce. So things like hummus with baba ganoush could be really good here, or you could take it in a different direction, so like a mayonnaise to bring it together, or pesto. And then, yes, so the preserved lemons, they are like a really beautiful Moroccan ingredient. I make my own, so it's just lemon and salt basically, but they do take a couple of weeks to make. I do have a recipe on my blog, but if you didn't have any preserved lemon, you could just use lemon zest and mix it in with some salt, or you could dice up some lemon flesh, or olives are going to give you a similar flavor boost. If you didn't have pistachios, any roast nuts or seeds are good there instead, or if you had some dukkha or another kind of spice nut blend, that would be really great. Okay, so I hope you're feeling inspired to get into the kitchen, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get more incredibly easy recipes in your feed. Okay, talk soon.